bit of a late start to the day. I slept kind of late today, plus I needed to get some tax stuff taken care of, some goal setting done, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Just responding to messages on Facebook, Instagram, all the social media platforms. So I basically sitting in a dark basement today. Fun fact, Thievery Corporation. They are so good. I don't even understand how I haven't listened to them. They're like an electronica band that sounds electronica, but actually make their own music. Super good. I gotta go see them live in concert eventually. So if you're looking for any sort of chill music that you want to just freaking relax to, check out Thievery Corporation. A lot of like world influence, dub, reggae, really solid band, highly recommended. The deal is today at 5 o'clock there's a skins match. The people who are qualified already are the top 3 highest rated players on the island from each gender, so male and female, and there's 2 spots, 1 male, 1 female for someone to qualify. So I'm the 4th highest rated player on the island, so I have to qualify. So hopefully get in that, because potentially I can make, I think it's $2,000 or something. That would be really cool. Yeah, I gotta qualify for that. Wish me luck.
He's evolving!
Wow.
What do you have his Chacos?
No! Oh no! What am I? Does it fit? Oh my gosh, I feel so weird.
You look like a Boulder, Colorado swagger.
Boulder, Colorado swagger. Well guys, I gotta get to bed early tonight because, you know, I have to go kayaking tomorrow. I gotta do some rock climbing. Yeah, and install my new Yakima on my Subaru. Good night. Keep on dreaming. This is what happens when you cook freaking bacon all the freaking time. The house is gonna burn down.
That's what happens when you cook bacon.
That was really bad. I shot 5 under with like all the bogeys. It probably wasn't good because I was not even really trying that hard. I was just throwing rollers on every hole trying to get eagles. But like, I was getting a little upset out there, but the second I got upset, I'm like, you're in Nantucket and everything's getting paid for. It's your vacation. And I'm like, you better not be doing that. So I found how to have fun playing really terribly, but whatever. I'm gonna take the next round a little bit more seriously and see if I can make a little bit of a jump, because right now I'm probably not even in cash, I'd imagine. It's really bad.
Eagle McMahon. Simon Lizotte. And caddying this year, the first time a prior champion has ever had the inner knowledge to caddy, Jeremy Coling. And Austin, please choose your caddy and your color.
Let's go green! Let's go green! There we go, green!
Yeah! Jeremy.
All right, hang on. No, I'm not even. All right, you gotta go.
Let's go green! Let's go!
Zach, please choose your color and your caddy.
Simon, let's go!
Nate Sexton, who do you pick?
Yeah.
Who would you like as your caddy and what color would you like? Yellow and Eagle!
You son of a... Let's go!
Austin!
Let's go! Let's go green! Let's go green!
Watch out! Watch out!
Yeah, let's go! Let's go!
Oh boy. Good
Let's go green!
Nantucket is now over. The reason I am up right now is because it was kind of like by accident. I realized that I didn't search for ticks tonight, and I was like, crap, whatever, I probably didn't get one. So I start looking around, I bring out my flashlight, I'm freaking checking places in the nether regions. There wasn't any there, everything was good, but then like right here, there was a little freaking tick, like so tiny, and I was like, so then I did like a very thorough check of my entire body. Yeah, and I hear like the Lyme disease per tick up here is really high. But anyway, Nantucket's over. I got 6th place. I played a terrible first round and a really good second round. $460. I can't thank Todd Rainwater enough for making this tournament happen. It's probably the most fun I've had all year at a disc golf tournament. We've been here all week. Epic house. Just incredible. There's no way I'll ever miss this event if I get invited back. Hopefully Todd likes me enough to make that happen. I'm gonna close out this vlog by saying, Chickpea Nation, until next time, keep on dreaming.